Okay, what's up YouTube? I'm back again. I'm on that job with the new air handlers we put in the basement. I just had that video with the old ancient freaking air handler in there. This is a job that was done last year. We've got two air handlers. This is air handler 2. That's air handler 1. Serves the main floor of the building here. It's 2 stages. Both of them are 2-stage AC. And then they have hot water coils for heating. I'll show you the boilers in a minute. There's some filter dryers there. Those are going to need to be changed. We'll do a video on that when we change these. I think we got a little bit of a leak issue. There's a little bit of oil on the bottom of these, so they're due to be changed out. So it's a 410A system, so it's pretty easy. We got isolation valves up there, so we can just isolate the filter dryer, and you actually even do it while the system's running, so you don't really have to shut it down or anything. Makes it nice easy job to do. Just change the filters on these units and the belts. Put it up to show you what's going on. These are running right now. There's your outside air and then their return air damper. These are both the same air handler, so I'll show you one of them. That click was the right there was the solenoid opening for the refrigerant there. Sight glasses here, both of them are running. Both first and second stage are calling. Can't hear me anyway with that blower running. But that's a pretty nice setup. Outside air. This has the same setup with the filter dryers on the liquid lines. Like I said, we're going to change those. I'm seeing a little bit of oil on the bottom here, so I think we got a little bit of either these weren't installed right or something. A little bit of a gasket leak, so I'm going to order some cartridges for them and change it and make sure the charge is right then. And then over through here, there's a big sewage pumps. I don't think anybody wants to deal with those. Here's our boiler assemblies. Not our boiler assemblies, our boilers here. Airco Benchmarks, pretty nice boiler. There's our pumps. There's our lead lag. They're set up, you know, one runs for a week, then the other one, next one runs for a week. There's our all our electrical. Frequency drives there. And then each of these boilers has, you know, their own circulating pump. All stainless steel. These are high efficiency boilers, so they're condensing. PVC there is your air intake. Stainless steel is your exhaust. That's your stainless steel flue. So it's a pretty nice setup. It runs on a Metasys system. It's all right in here. Johnson Controls Metasys system, so works pretty well. It's not remote or nothing. It's just local to the building. So we don't know if it goes down or not until somebody calls. There's no, it's not hooked up to a phone line or nothing. It was an existing air handler. It's a carrier split system. That was all existing, but you can see where the flue runs up. That's all refrigerant piping right there. That runs over. That's for this carrier right here. You can see the solenoids up there. This one has liquid line dryers. If we ever have to replace those dryers, we got valves there, solenoid valves there, so we can isolate that. Makes it a little easier. Don't have to pump the whole system down. There's our glycol in there. I believe this system's got, I think it's either 20 or 25% glycol. I can't remember right off the top of my head. Just in case for freeze protection, in case something fails. But these are another thing we got to change too. Those are the condensate neutralizers. Those I think are pretty. I think those are going to be due. I think they're good every 2 years. I'm not sure off the top of my head. They come right with the boiler, and then they have a bypass too if they get plugged. They just dump them right to the condensate drain. But you can see how acidic that condensate is. Look at all the rust around that drain right there. So, I mean, you can definitely see how acidic condensate is. So, and that's worth it running through a neutralizer. So that's definitely, can be an issue plumbing wise. And there's our expansion tank for the system right there. Just a nice stand up. Pressure gauges, and there's your emergency shutdown. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole system's here for now. I'll take you up on the roof, but it's pouring rain out. Show you the condensers, but like I said, it's pouring rain out right now. That's why I'm inside doing this stuff. So if it lets up, I'll try and get up there. They're just a couple of, they're actually micro channel York condensers, big ones, like a V-shaped condenser. Pretty cool looking, you know, but they are micro channel. I don't know how great that is, but that seems to be the way everything's going, so we'll see. So, alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sure my finger got in the way a little bit. I'm just shooting this on my iPhone, so I'll catch you on the next one. Have a good one, guys.